Built an amazing AI app in Firebase Studio and ready to show the world? This year, deployment is built directly into your workspace. Today, I'm showing you how to hit that publish button and move your prototype from a preview link to a production-ready URL on Google's global network. Once you're happy with your app in the Studio editor, look in the top right corner. You'll see a blue publish button. So if I open up mine, so it's going to be here in the top. And then when you click it, the app prototyping agent takes over. If you haven't linked a project yet, it will automatically provision a new Firebase project for you. This is the magic phase where your code is packaged and prepared for Firebase app hosting. And this is the most important part as well. You go to live. To go live, you must link a cloud billing account. So even if you're within the free tier, Firebase app hosting requires the Blaze. It's the pay-as-you-go plan. In the publish pane, follow the prompt to link billing. If you don't have an account, it will open a new tab in the Google Cloud Console. Don't worry. For small prototypes, you'll likely stay within the no-cost limits, but the billing link is a mandatory security gate. Then, after the billing is linked, you just need to set up the services. The agent will now enable the necessary APIs like Firestore for your database, Firebase AUth for logins, and the Gemini API for your AI features. This usually takes up to 5 to 10 minutes. You can watch the progress bar right in the Studio sidebar. Once it's finished, the Studio will trigger a fast rollout of your source code. And once the deployment finishes, you'll see a live status badge. Click the generated URL to test your app in the wild. And this is how you launch your vision using your Firebase Studio. If this deployment guide helped you, hit subscribe button and ring the bell for more AI tutorials.